Everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can upload your own emojis in Discord. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to left down corner to your user settings, and when you're here you want to click on you want to click on your server and server settings, emojis, upload emoji, and let's say that I'm going to upload, like, I don't know, Yoda here. So wait a second, I will just open it in my, it needs to be under 256 gigabytes. So I will open it in Paint. I can see, so I'm going to change it to percentage 25, save. Okay. Now upload emoji. Now we have it, and alias is going to be Yoda, and okay. And now when I would go here, I can see it right here, and I have Yoda. Woo! So this is how you can upload emojis in your Discord server. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.